Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Smartphone World. In this video, we are going to find answer for a burning question which prevails for a long time among smartphone enthusiasts. Is Vooc Charger 3.0 faster than Qualcomm's Quick Charge 4.0? To compare these two fast charging standards, I'll be using two smartphones that support these standards. The Realme 3 Pro houses a 4045 mAh battery unit and has support for Vooc Charger 3.0. On the other hand, Redmi K20 Pro packs a 4000 mAh battery unit and has support for Quick Charge 4.0. We will use the official fast charger provided in the box for this test. In case of K20 Pro, you will get 18W fast charger bundle in the box, but for the sake of this test, I have purchased the 27W Sonic charger which has Qualcomm's Quick Charge 4.0 support. Before we get started, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you guys don't miss any of our future tech videos. First, let me clear background running process on both phones and set the phones to airplane mode. I will be using battery tester app to check how much milliamp of battery is pumped to charge each phone's battery. The battery level is set to 6% on both phones, and let's start the timer. You guys can notice the fast charging symbol on lock screen in K20 Pro, whereas in Realme 3 Pro you can see Vooc charging icon. We'll be checking battery percentage at regular intervals to see how fast both phones charges. It's 15 minutes on the clock, and as you guys can see, K20 Pro has managed to surpass Realme 3 Pro and got a lead in early stages of this test. The K20 Pro battery has charged to 28%, whereas Realme 3 Pro battery is at 27%. Since we have different battery capacity, we need to consider how much milliamp of battery is charged per minute to get the complete picture. In initial phases, Realme 3 Pro pumps around 3+ amps of current to charge the battery, whereas K20 Pro pumps around 4+ amp of current to charge the battery. It's 30 minutes since we started this battery charging test. As you guys can see, Realme 3 Pro had narrowed down the lead and surpassed K20 Pro. If you check the battery percentage, Realme 3 Pro is at 47% and K20 Pro is at 43%. This is because the charging rate of Realme 3 Pro is way higher compared to K20 Pro. Redmi had taken a conservative approach here. Once the battery crosses 30%, the charging rate drops drastically from 4 amps to 2 amps. If you observe closely, twice the amount of current is pumped to charge Realme 3 Pro's battery, which clearly proves to be an advantage for the phone in this test. We have reached the 1 hour mark and battery of Realme 3 Pro is at 78%, whereas K20 Pro is at 75%. If we calculate the charging rate, we can see Realme 3 Pro is marginally faster than K20 Pro. As per smartphone charging standard, to avoid damage to battery, the charging speed will be substantially reduced once the battery crosses 70%. If we check in battery tester app, the charging rate of Realme 3 Pro has been dropped from 3.5 amp to 2 amp. With K20 Pro, the charging rate dropped below 1 amp, which is way low compared to industry standards. Let me skip the boring part and tell the final result for you guys. It took 1 hour and 26 minutes for Realme 3 Pro to charge its 4000 mAh battery. By the same time, K20 Pro crossed the 90% mark. As I mentioned earlier, once battery crosses 90%, the charging rate starts to drop drastically. In K20 Pro, the charging rate dropped from 1 amp to 0.7 amp. K20 Pro took around 1 hour and 36 minutes to charge its 4000 mAh battery. Redmi could have improved the charging speed if they had followed the fast charging standards, where the charging rate drops after 70%. The conservative approach of reducing the charging speed after 50% costed K20 Pro in this battery charging test. Before we conclude, let's see how much milliamp of battery each phone charges per minute. The Realme 3 Pro charges 47 mAh per minute, whereas K20 Pro charges 38.4 mAh per minute. Hope this video gives a clear difference between Vooc Charger 3.0 and Quick Charge 4.0. The winner of this battery charging test is Realme 3 Pro. So which fast charging technology do you guys prefer, Vooc Charger 3.0 or Qualcomm's Quick Charge 4.0? Share your thoughts on the comment section or in polls. If you guys had liked the video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to Smartphone World for more tech videos. As always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video and you guys have a great day.